This is the game I've been working on for the last few months. It's called bankshot.io. Let me show you what I've got so far. I use the Unity FPS core kit to get started. And then I added a gun, made it shoot these lasers, and it's flickering because I'm trying to get it to bounce off of surfaces, which it's currently not doing. Well, it kind of does. Here, let me show you. It's easier to demonstrate down here. I actually have colliders here on these walls, and I'm not sure if it works with colliders or meshes or what. But let's see. So it goes. That one just floated through. Let's see. And now they're shooting like sideways. I'm not really sure what's going on. Anyway, what I want to happen is for the laser to bounce off of the surface. Alright, so it would kind of bounce around this environment. And I think that making that one small change to the classic FPS formula will result in a very different gaming experience. And I think it'll be a lot of fun. Once it works, of course. I mean, what is even happening? What I wanted to do is just go straight forward and then hit the wall and then bounce at the angle you would expect and then just keep bouncing. And it would bounce for like a certain number of times and then go away. That would seem to bounce back and forth right here for a little while. And let's see, those ones are like floating in a different direction. Anyway, let me show you my... First I'll pause recording, and then I'll show you my scripts. Alright, so I just made one small change to my script off screen. Right, the change was, this was commented out before, and then I just put it back in, like that. Right, and that was the only change I made. Let's see. Oops. Too many things open. So click play, and that made a slight difference. But basically, this line of code just makes it move forward as normal. And this up here, as well as this, I copy and pasted from the Unity manual. It's just my first attempt at using vector3.reflect, which is, I think, the solution to this problem. Alright, so this is what it looks like now. None of this stuff up here has colliders on it. Most of it doesn't. That's why I can walk straight through it. That doesn't have a collider. There's a collider on this thing I'm walking on. But there's... Down here is what I'm really worried about, because it looks cool. And it's like flying off sideways. Okay, so it looks like it always wants to move that direction for some reason. Even... Oh. Weird. Okay, now I see. Just floats off that way. And there's like a dividing line. Like from there it goes that way, and from there it goes that way. Right? So I don't know what's up with that. And if I get perfectly in the middle, it kind of just goes straight up. Yeah, there we go. So, yeah, look at that. That's not right. That's not where bankshot.io is supposed to be. Here's this is ricochet shot behavior. This is my attempt at making it ricochet. And I'll show you how I have it set up over here. Here's the player capsule that comes with the Unity FPS core setup. And I added this pistol that I downloaded from Brackeys, basically. And yeah, I just have this basic setup. You fire the projectile from an empty game object, and here's the projectile. It's the lasers from volumetric lines in the asset store. And yeah, I mean, this is just basic shooting scripts. I don't know what to say about that. If you have any questions, just leave them below in the comments. So this is just an introduction to my game, And my plan right now is to finish this over spring break, because I don't have any trips planned, and I don't really know what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna work on this and make a YouTube videos about it. Just consider this the introduction. So, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.